Okay, so I've gone ahead to a website, the Random Word Generator, and just clicking on a whole bunch of different random words. So let's grab some of these words, and let's go back to RStudio, and well, we probably can clean it up as well. And let's also clean up all the script, and then Control V. So we're going to use our bear combine trick, which is now Control Alt C. So a whole bunch of words. Great, and words. Okay, so we can do a bunch of different functions with words, and these also actually work with numbers as well. So why don't I just do this? Sample 1 to 10. Give me 5, and give me replace equals true. Good. Numbers. Okay, so those functions are sort. So if we sort words, what's going to happen? So you can see as well, they've gone into alphabetical order. Now on numbers as well, same deal. We can paste that in, and now we've got them all in the correct order. So that's great. Once again, we've not replaced these values in the correct order, we've just printed it out. Okay. So another thing is reverse. So what that has done is it's swapped the numbers around, and same with words, the same effect. So now it's the reverse order, yep, but we could do sort, the reverse of the sorted order, and that's going to give us the reverse alphabetical order. All right, so very good. Yeah, with words, there's a lot to work on with strings. All right, and we'll get to that. We can sort of test words. Okay, so words equals, one of the words is graphic. So what's happening here is giving us our Boolean vector, and it's saying that the fourth word is graphic. So if we wanted to filter using that vector, we can go, so let's say Boolean vec gets that, and then we can go words, and we can filter by the Boolean vec. So now we've only got graphic. All right, we could also plonk that in there. We don't need to necessarily put use an object. All right, and not equals to graphic. Okay. But what happens if we want to test if it's a member of 2 or not a member of 2? So if we got graphic and we've got Predator, yeah, good movie. Dylan. All right, so let's wrap this in a combine. Okay. So we want to see which of these words are in this vector. So let's call it selected words. So which words are in, and we've got our Boolean vector, there it is, it's picking out which are true. So we can go words and filter it by that vector. Okay, then how do we get the inverse of that? So it's hard to know where to put the exclamation mark. If we put it here, it's not going to work. If we put it like with the equal sign here, also it's not in the right place. So the trick is that this here is generating a whole vector, and if we put the exclamation point there, it's reversing that vector. Yep. So when we run it like that, there we go. So that's the words that are not inside that vector. Okay. So this is called subsetting or filtering. This is how you do it in base R. And I think you also use this in command in proper R anyway. Proper R, I say, which is really just the tidyverse. All right, so yeah, let's take a little break and come back in the next video.